Hello guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Divyansha Agrawal and you're watching Tech University. Today I brought you yet another data science course that is offered by BITS Pilani again. Earlier I told you about MTech in Data Science and Engineering that is offered under their WILP courses, and this is yet another course that is offered by BITS Pilani under their WILP courses. So I'll be telling you about the program overview, program curriculum, the fee structure, eligibility criteria and how to apply. So stay tuned to the last of this video to know everything. Now, if we talk about this goes by the name of Postgraduate Diploma in Business Analytics and is offered by BITS Pilani. And BITS Pilani is a very eminent institute in India, more specifically for engineering courses. And they have three more campuses which are situated in Goa, Hyderabad, and Dubai. But you don't have to go anywhere to pursue this course. You will be sitting at your homes, at the comfort of your homes, and you will be pursuing this course. And even without leaving your job. So it's for working professionals again, and you don't have to leave the job while you pursue this course. This is the main page for this course. And again, they have given the facility of paying by EMI with 0% interest. So this is one such good thing BITS Pilani offer under their WILP courses. And if we talk about the highlights, so you don't have to take a break, and because the live lectures, the online lectures mostly will be conducted during the weekends and after the office hours, more specifically by BITS Pilani faculty members and experienced industry professionals. So you will be assured of very quality learning, and state-of-the-art data analysis visualization tools will be there like R, Python, and Tableau. This one is practically oriented course, and it uses a continuous evaluation system, like in the case of MTech in Data Science and Engineering. And it is a blend of classroom and experimental learning. Experimental learning in a sense that you will be having labs, assignments, case studies, all these things to further improve your learning methodology. And you have a facility to give the exams online, so you don't have to go anywhere for exams either. You have to give the exams at the comfort of your home. And the participants who successfully complete this course will be given a coveted BITS Pilani alumni title. So that is one such thing the people run about in India specifically. And you can submit a fee using the easy EMI with 0% interest. So there is no interest at all while you pay using the EMI. Now, if you talk about the program curriculum, there are 2 semesters that you have to complete. That is for 1 year. So this diploma course runs for 1 year. And in the first semester, you have to study four core courses. These are quantitative methods, data visualization and communication, advanced statistical methods, and foundations of data science. And for the second semester, there are two core courses and two electives. These are predictive analytics, analytics for competitive advantage, and two electives from all these electives that you can see on the screen. And if we talk about the learning methodology, experimental learning is always there in BITS Pilani because you will be working on tools such as R, Python, Excel, and Excel Solver to synthesize linear optimization, descriptive statistics, multivariate analysis, and all these things. Case studies and assignments are always a part of BITS Pilani's curriculum, be it any course. So you will be working on carefully chosen case studies and real world examples. And you will have to attend these lectures over weekends and online. That is the best thing that can ever happen in studies. So during these pandemic situation, one would like to study, one would like to upskill themselves in order to be more competitive in the market. And this is one such course where you can upskill yourself and be competitive against other candidates in the market. And the classes will start in October and November 21 for the people who are admitted in the August to September session. So if you apply right now, you will be eligible to take classes from October to November. So that's like you don't have to take any break. Your course will start right away. And there is a minimum time commitment of 7 to 8 hours per week as they recommend, but it's not like it's a compulsion or something like that. You can even go higher than that, and you can go even lower than that. It's not a compulsion that you have to be there for 7 to 8 hours. That is a recommended learning methodology as given by BITS Pilani. And digital learning is always there because see, you are working online and learning online everything. So this is a digital learning, and there will be continuous assessments like in MTech and Data Science Engineering that was happening there. So you will be given continuous assessments and quizzes which you have to complete throughout the semesters. And for each semester, you will be appearing for mid-semester and comprehensive exams. These are 2 to 3 year exams that you have to appear for after every semester. Now, if we talk about the eligibility criteria, so for the professionals who are working and have minimum 1 year of relevant experience and hold a 4 year degree like BE Tech, or if they have an MSc, given that they have 1 year of relevant work experience. But apart from that, there are some more people who are eligible for that. So if you are one such undergraduate who have done 3 year courses like BSc, BCom, BCA with at least 60% aggregate marks, you are also eligible to apply, given that you have studied one course in mathematics or statistics in your undergraduate degree or high school level, and minimum of 2 years of relevant experience. So generally, mathematics or statistics, people do generally study mathematics or statistics in the high school level. And even in fact, if you are from BSc, BCom or BCA, you would have a mathematics subject or statistics subject. So that's not a problem. But you will have to have a 2 years of relevant work experience. But you can apply, of course. And the admissions are currently open, of course. And the last date to apply is September 6, 2021. So you can go collect your documents and apply for this course right away. And your classes will start in October-November session. And then you can just complete this course in a year and get upskilled. So right now the applications are open. Go and apply if you are eligible. Fee structure, for fee details, they have given that you have to refer to the program brochure. I have already opened the program brochure in a separate tab. So if you scroll down, the fee structure is here. So the fee structure for this academic year is, one, you have to pay the application fees. That will be one time. That would be 1500 INR. And another one-time fees is the admission fees, which is 16,500 INR. It is also one time and has to be paid once you get a decision on your application. So once you applied and you get selected, you will be paying this amount to them. And there is a semester fees of 57,750 per semester. So there will be two semesters. So your total fees would be 1,15,500 INR. And apart from that, you will have to pay this 18,000 one-time fees. So your total fees for this particular course would be 1,33,500 INR. So this was about the fees. Now, if we talk about how to apply, the main thing, how to apply, if you're eligible, how can we apply? This is again, they have said that you have to refer to the program brochure. And if we go down into the program brochure, how to apply, this is the how to apply section. And they have given an embedded link on which you have to log in yourself if you already have account with their application center. But if you are not having an account with the application center, you will have to register for it by using your unique email ID and password of your choice. And once your login has been created, you can access application center anytime using that email and password. And there will be four essential steps that you will have to follow, as was it the case of MTech in data science and engineering. So step one will be to fill and edit the application form. And while you fill this application form, make sure all the details that you pass in are correct. Then you have to submit this. And step two would be to download the application PDF copy. So now you have applied. Once you have hit the submit button, that means you have applied to this course. Congratulations for that. And the step two will be to download the application PDF copy, so that you will have the reference of that you have applied to BITS Pilani. And the step three will be you have to pay the application fees. As I told you, that would be 1500 using net banking, debit card or credit card. So cash, of course, is not allowed and DD is not allowed. So online banking is the only option. And finally, you have to take a printout of the application form, and you will be given an application form number that appear on the top right corner of the first page. Now, in the page number 3, there will be a section called employer consent form. So this has to be signed by your employer. So basically, the HR of your company, stating that they don't have any problem in you studying part-time with the job. And once you get that signed, that means that they have given you the consent to pursue this course. On page number 4, there will be a mentor consent form. So this mentor consent form needs to be signed by the mentor that will be assigned to you by the BITS Pilani itself. You will be given a mentor throughout this course, and they have to sign this form. Now, if we talk about the online exam options, so the online exam options, of course, you can take the exam from any location. For say example, office or home, whatever suits you, that would be your examination center. Of course, that will be proctored, strictly proctored, I would say. And what they say is student must possess a laptop or desktop with a webcam and a smartphone with good internet connectivity. So they are requiring a smartphone. So there is, I believe, a strict proctoring policy. But you don't have to fear for that, because given the teachers would be from BITS Pilani themselves, and they will be teaching you one of the best curriculums in India. So you don't have to worry. You will be learning a lot, and you don't have to worry about the proctoring thing and all. And also, if you are kind of a person that would like to give exam on an examination center, you can obviously go to their designated examination centers that are located in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Goa, Delhi NCR, Pilani, Kolkata, and Dubai. So these are the designated examination centers that they have given as well. If you feel like if you want to go and give the exam on the centers to get that feeling of examination. But anyway, I don't think that anyone would like to go to any examination center while they can give the exam at the comfort of their homes. So this was all about this particular course. I hope you like this video, and you would be sharing this video with your friends who are looking for data science courses. I'll continue to post similar data science courses on this channel. So stay tuned on this channel and please subscribe. Till then, au revoir.